Well, it is all over in Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye Golden Stars 2. Mamelodi Sundowns are through to the last 16 of the Nedbank Cup. It was a mouth-watering game. If you think about it, the first half it was like, Sundowns is going to, walk over. But the second half, Sibanye came in and said, we are here to play as well. We are not just here to add numbers. Speaking of being here, we are here as my views, my expressions. Subscribe, please do subscribe. Share channel nabanye ukuthi sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Mina lami igama uSiboniso Sizo owakomnikazi Sibongo njengenjwayelo angihambi ngedwa. Mphethe mfana nolwazi. Msayipose.
Sanibonani bafethu igama uSipho. On my views, my expressions. Namhlanje sobheka nje igame Sundowns last 32 against Isibane Golden Stars, Loftus, where we saw Sundowns going through to the last 16 of the tournament.
Yebo umsoko wakho Sundowns.
Ungolile.
Hayi ungolile. Imposho kodwa. Well, a beautiful game that we just saw. One would have thought these are both teams who are playing with Premier League, more especially on the second half. A squad rotation from Mamelodi Sundowns. We saw players that we don't usually see. We saw about Iwane. We saw about Otapelo Masego. People that do not usually get opportunity to play. How did you make of the game?
Yeah, I think obviously Sundowns in this game they changed the lineup very much. I think there was only one regular player, I think Ronan Williams, and then Opas, I would say semi-regular with other sales. They are not usually playing and then maybe Mashekh. Or there was
Lebusa.
Or there was Koza, Lebusa. Okay, the way it changes, but I think make my position abalekile to a point ukuthi abantu abebedlala khona ubona ukuthi fitness match fitness yabo match fitness levels abo they are not at where they need to be, and so that affected the fluidity ye game yabo, more especially with second half. But we first half we saw Sundowns getting amathuba from Matthews, who scored the brace, and then Koza from the corner. And then from then on, we saw Sundowns dominating and controlling the position. Maybe they thought they are done with Isibane, but psychologically, the commitment levels didn't really go high, or they didn't maintain the level that they had started with. And so when Isibane came from Ifesafu, coming from the changing room, which was Ubabonile, and was the changing mentality. I think they had maybe 5 to 10 minutes where they were coming at Sundowns from a break attacks, and maybe Magala from deep, and Bezamut Benz ama long balls through their forwards, and we saw them being able to get 2 goals from almost similar situations, and then on we saw a red card from Sundowns, which I think from then we saw Sundowns now regaining themselves somehow after conceding a red card. So it was just a game that it was a good game overall, but I think psychologically Sundowns was not very consistent throughout the 90 minutes. They had patches where I think their commitment and psychological levels of stability was not at their best.
Okay, you're talking about the commitment, and we spoke about the players that are not usually getting the opportunity to play. You get an opportunity to play in a game of this magnitude, and this is where you should come and say, hey coach, you see, I want to be on the regular starting lineup. So how do you then get an opportunity to play in a game like this, and then your level of commitment is low?
Yeah, that's the saddest part. But I think the factors are semani ilo ukudlala kwakho. Angisho ukuthi ngiyabakhulumela labafana laba ngajwayela ukudlala, but you think ukuthi they are playing against the opponent yabo. Then I think they don't know much about it, and naturally abantu banalokho ukuthatha kancane ama team yabo. nabo maybe leyo nto iyaba-affect. And the other thing ukuthi badlala kwi-scheme vele esinama-changes amaningi. It's unlike when we are introduced into a team that has been playing consistently and abantu asebejwayelene yabo. And so lezo zinto lezo they do have an impact with overall performance yakho when you get a rare opportunity as some of the guys did today.
Should the Amasena wanna be worried about Ronwen Williams? We were looking to the previous games, we got a red card, and then we saw another game. There were so many mistakes that we spoke about on the previous game that were done by Williams. As we know him, Galama passes but they were not as precise as they always are. Game that they played against the SFA. And the goal that Sundowns conceded against the SFA was a talking moment. And then you look into this game, Mamelodi Sundowns is playing Isibanye, as you say, a lower ranked team, and then the South Africa's number one conceded 2 goals.
Yeah, well, you can be worried because they are one Ramaphosa and they do have a effect with game, but I think it's a matter of who's cool and just do a reflection with you've done 1 and 2 and 3. Just look after yourself because you're one of the very important members of this team.
Sure.
And so you can't afford to be doing such mistakes because if you continue like this, because you are going to end up like costing the team in games of higher like consequences.
Yeah.
So now he needs to look into himself and be serious because lao Maputa lao they are coming from situations so to a game serious but successfully. But most yabo uthi nayo uthanda wenza izinto eziriski yabo ma bekwenzeka zibe wrong noma ingaphumeleli we look sizombona ngathi akekho serious, but when they succeed we clap yabo. Like these passes and I said, those are very risky passes because when an opponent intercepts lab and they come at you, our defender are stretched. Maybe we say number 6 or number 8 back on our wide like our compact. So was going to recover so upila high risk so he's always going to make those mistakes, but he needs to make sure that he tries and minimize them.
Yeah.
More especially in games of higher consequences.
Sure.
Yeah.
I absolutely agree with you, Uguti. Okay, we know him, Uguti. He will do those passes, and we always get excited when he do those, or when he does those passes. But now the problem is that when you make an error, well, it's acceptable. And then the second one. Okay, well, and then now it's become a habit. It's become a habit. Game after game, we see the same errors, which could be costly. Isibanye, I think I felt like they let them down on the first half. Goguba very much respectful towards Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
And I felt like they were so scared, and they only became a team that is here to play on the second half. Even the first goal, it was so unnecessary because there is that ball
Cells.
Yes, and this guy is running towards the ball, and the ball is far, but the defender is right in front of the ball. And then he chooses to kick the ball, and then it's an unnecessary corner which leads to a goal.
Yeah, well, you can't falter them. It was always going to happen. Stage fright.
Sure.
It's shy stage fright. Going friendly match in closed doors, maybe closed court, where no one is watching. It's only the coaches. Maybe Lapo, it can be better. But you are playing against the best team in the country. At their own.
Hey, I said they were playing against
the best team in the country.
How? There's Orlando Pirates, which is currently doing best.
Yeah.
In the country, and they've already won the cup.
I'm not even about Pirates, guys.
I'm not even about Pirates too. But I'm talking about the best teams.
Yeah,
in the country.
Pirates is a good team.
Not the best team.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. I wouldn't like to unpack that any further, because I don't want to get into trouble with Amapakania. But Angas, it's open for discussion. No, it's open for discussion. They can comment. You're saying Sundowns is the best team in the country.
I was talking about Sundowns.
Yes, Sundowns is the best team in the country. Orlando Pirates comes behind Sundowns.
I'm not talking about Pirates, I'm talking about Sundowns. Pirates.
If you say Sundowns is the best team in the country, that means the others fall behind.
Yeah, we are talking about Sundowns versus Sibanye. Yeah.
Well, Sundowns versus Sibanye. Mamelodi Sundowns managed to score 5 goals past Sibanye, and Sibanye came back with 2 goals, but it wasn't enough for them to be through the round 16. Mamelodi Sundowns managed to get through the round of 16. From me now, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We're out of here.
That's